Today I've decided I'm not going to rot at home doing absolutely nothing. So instead I've decided to come to my college campus. Hey, so welcome to my channel. This is another day, another video. This is day 3 of spring break series. If you haven't watched the day 1 and day 2 videos, those are out in my channel. Do check them out so that you'll get a clear understanding of how things were and how things are going to be for the rest of the week. I always feel if there is any change of environment that boosts my excitement, which eventually boosts my productivity. So that's the main reason that I chose to work from my college today. So this building is one of such places that you can come and relax and you can mind your own work. This place will always remains like quiet compared to other places, the main campus. Honestly, campus during spring break, it's completely different. I can barely see people going around. It's so quiet, which is not the case during normal days. So these are the things that I'm going to do today, hopefully. And I feel like these are some realistic things that I can complete before 5 p.m. So I'm planning to wrap up at 5 p.m. today, same as previous days. So for now, I'm going to focus on editing my YouTube video and try to schedule it. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So let's see if I can stay here for the entire day, or if I feel again rotting, then I'll switch some other building and I can be even productive. Thought I'll go and work inside another building because I've been there in this previous building for more than 3 hours. So I thought I'll move on to another building. Yeah. That being said, I'm done with the video editing and posting stuff. So I'm going to move on to LeetCode. Today I'm going to focus on graph-based problems. So totally there are 4 graph problems available in LeetCode 75. So far I've done 3 problems from DFS and only 1 problem remaining. Then once after I complete that, I'll be starting the BFS graph problem. So let's get started. One of the advantages of being in this room is I can use a bigger monitor. I just have to connect the HDMI cable with my laptop. So I'm good to go.